Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Ask AI application as a statistician. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your homepage and then slide to the right side until you find this career button. Scroll down and tap on statistician. Here you can find this preset instruction, act as a statistician. I will provide you with details related with statistics. You should be in knowledge of statistics terminology, statistical distributions, confidence interval, and so on. So you should type in your own preferences according to these ideas that you can find here, such as statistics terminology if you are interested in a special term, or statistical distributions and so on. Then click on the send button on the right side to get your answer generated by the AI. So here you can see the answer. You can type in your own question about, for example, statistical charts, and in a few seconds the answer will be generated for you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.